Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss how to install RubyMine on Linux operating system such as Fedora, Red Hat, suse. So let's see. To download the software in Google search box, write the RubyMine, then go on this jetpins.com site. So this you can get the new page. Let's click on this accept all, then click on this download button. There Linux that's selected here. Selecting this first option. So after clicking here, you can see the file is now currently downloading. Total size 986 MB. Now if I go into this terminal and if I write there, so this you can see. So if I write there Ruby ---- version. So here you can see Ruby that already installed. The version is 3310. So first in your system Ruby must be installed there. Then you can use this RubyMine. So this you can see our total status. So this will take some time to complete this download. Or downloaded. Thereafter click on this join folder. So here you can see this is first right click, then click on this extract the files. So file is now currently extracting. So this you can see the status. File is extracting now. So extraction that's done here. This RubyMine you need to click this, then pin. Then after here you can see RubyMine exe file. Double click to this. So here double click to this and wait for a few seconds. So this you can get there. Let's close this. Here I confirm. Then click on this download, don't send. Let's click on this new project. Ruby is not detected there. Let's click on this plus. Now Ruby that's taken. Click on this OK. 3310 that's taken there. Click on this OK. Let's give there the project name Ruby app. Click on this create. So here you can see project is now creating. Now if you want then you can use the AI. And here after very first step right click there, then new, here Ruby. Thereafter let's give their test, selecting their file. So test.rb that's come there. Let's copy, paste, Ctrl S to save, then click on this green button. So green button, hello world, that's displaying. Let's do the addition of two number. So copying this one and paste there, Ctrl S to save, click on this. So enter first number, let's give there 9, second is 6. 9 plus 6, that's 15, that's the display. So this is how we can do the installation of RubyMine inside the Linux such as Red Hat, Fedora, suse. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.